You want me to have him grab the longer one?
Hey, Charles, you still there?
Guess not. That's what I mean. This thing was so back-graded. Alright, and then drop down straight on your side. Oh, that's coming. Oh, what did we just break? Alright, go ahead and lift up. Yep, that's where it came from. The Spernco. This thing's not even connected, Bo. You got 5/16? Yeah. Alright, can we slide it that way, the pipe? Like towards you? I brought extra couplings just in case. They got it way too high, man. That explains the back grade. Alright, let's see if we can straighten this out pretty easily. Hold on, I gotta clean these glasses. I can't see nothing. Let me see here. Smells like shit over here. Huh? Ugh. Freaking smells like a septic tank. Oh, is that part of this? I think it's this pipe right here. I think that's our problem. So I think we're gonna need to run the big one because I think they put this coupling in and it's not straight. So it's creating a V. So coupling, all right, about there. Is that V'd? That coupling? The coupling's not? Well, that explains our problems. Because now that I dug it out a little bit, it seems like we should have the proper grade. Pretty sure a bug just bit me on my leg. Would you rather the glue over here that you spilled? Yeah. I'm trying to avoid it at all costs, like the plague. All right, come here. Okay, ready? Okay, come up a little bit and rotate with letters up. Which way go? Yeah, there we go. Let me get my torpedo real quick. Right there. Okay, how's that doing? How's that? Right there? Alright, and then once you straighten this, drop to the 3-inch, we should be golden. Yep. All right, ready? You want to glue this? What happened? Oh, nice. Of course, the one fittings they screwed up, they glued. That V over there off that coupling would have been a great one not to be glued. Oh, look at my boot. I found it. Why we wear boots. My wife would kill me if I destroyed my new tennis shoes like that. Still can't believe I didn't have a 4x3 on my van. Alright, let me go see what I got.
Let's see. No.
Alright, I think I'll just send Charles to Lowe's.